Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we're going to be making this delicious and refreshing agua de coco. Alright, let's get our ingredients ready. Here we have cocoa, we have coconut extract, some Lopez coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Alright, we have 2 coconuts here. I'm gonna pick the one with the most water. How do we find out which one has more water? We shake it and listen. Alright, I'm going with this one. Alright, I have a little trick on how to get to the coconut water. You see these 3 little holes? Well, 9 times out of 10, one of these is gonna be soft. Let's see which one. Okay, not this one. Not this one either. This is the one. Try to poke a hole all the way through. You could even stick a straw in there if you want. I'm just gonna try a little bit, just a little bit. This one's sweet. Alright, you can run it through a colander and get all the water out. We got about 3/4 of a cup of water out of this one. Before we go on, I would like to encourage you guys to please like and subscribe and hit the bell. It really helps out our channel. Alright, let's get this coconut open. You could use a hammer, you could use a rock, but I'm gonna use my hand. Here! Yeah! Just like that. I'm just playing. I cracked it outside. Now we're gonna carve out the white part of the coconut. I found it easy doing it with a spoon. Just push down against the edges and move it side to side. It's a little hard, but just have patience. Alright, I got that one now. Let's work on the next one. Once you get them out, go ahead and give them a wash. If you see any little parts that you don't like, go ahead and take them out. We're gonna go ahead and blend this. I'm gonna make this smaller so it fits in the blender. Alright, in the blender they go. This little bit I'm gonna use to garnish the water. Just cut it up into little cubes. Go ahead and add 2 cups of water to the blender with the coconut. This is how it should look after you blend it. Go ahead and pour it into your pitcher. We're gonna add another 2 cups of water. I'm adding it to the blender to get all of the coconut out. Pour it into your pitcher. Alright, now that we have that done, we're gonna add the Lopez coconut milk. Lopez, my future last name. And pour it into your pitcher. Let's give it a quick little mix. Next up, we're gonna add 1 can of evaporated milk. Alright, now we're gonna add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. If you don't want to use sweetened condensed milk, you can also use sugar, or both. It's completely up to your liking. It all depends on your sweet tooth. Try to get all of it out. This is a little tricky. Give it a little mix. The sweetened condensed milk is a little thick, so make sure you get it off from the bottom. We're gonna add about 5 drops of coconut extract. This one's completely optional. Lastly, we're gonna add about 8 cups of ice. Oh yeah, I almost forgot my little coconut cubes. Go ahead and add them in. Give it a last little mix and it should be ready. Now for the taste test. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into my cup. This is good. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy our refreshing Agua de Coco. Let us know what you think in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya.